I was still stuck in the clouds, but I realized I could place blocks down, which led me to go near the islands and build back up. I found some more yellow ore as I got closer, and I realized with those purple gems, I could make a Zanite pickaxe, which grows stronger the more I use it. I found that pinkish ore again, and I thought now with my Zanite pickaxe I could mine it, which I could. It's called gravite ore. I bet it's even stronger than Zanite. Oh no, more birds. Why the birds? Why are they so strong? Come on, I gotta hide. Ah! Come on. I can live. Come on. Ah! Ah!
Tensphere, I am the Aether God. You have great potential. You have been given a second chance, and yes, I have an AI voice.
What? I'm back? I'm way too low for comfort with the creatures around here. Careful, careful not to fall off. Careful. Come on. Oh, nah. Nah! I am not fighting that guy. I might as well just set up base camp here. And just a couple more blocks and done. This place looks so nice. Beautiful. Just perfect. Big and spacious. As I was furnishing my house, I found that I could craft an incubator. And I also had a blue egg from one of those bird thingies. I didn't know how to fuel it because my wood wouldn't work, so I tried a torch. And that worked for some reason. I learned it was called a Mao egg. I wasn't sure what it was going to hatch into, until it hatched. It looks like it was angry, and I had no clue what to feed it with. Blueberries wouldn't work. Mutton wouldn't work. So I just decided to put it into a fence until it would work. Huh, so these things work. That's good to know. A fence here. A fence gate there, and done. Gotta get rid of this door, because this big bird wouldn't fit through. Alright, come on in here, buddy. Alright. Guess we'll just wait for you to get hungry again. Whoa! Whoa! Can I ride this thing? Whoa! What the heck? Whoa! Whoa! This thing can fly? No way! Wee! Dude, this is so cool! Maybe these birds aren't so bad after all. This is sick! I guess things are starting to turn around in the Aether. Until next time.